Hey, Namaste. My name is Dhaval and we are here in Shimla to unbox a really cool product by MevoFit. And the product is MevoFit Play N100. Look at that fancy packaging. If this doesn't pique your interest, I don't know what will. Inside is a highly requested piece of tech. We have brand new headphones with a flex band. Before opening the box, let's check out the specifications first. Specifications include enhanced microphone for better calling, powerful bass, optimized music, stereo sound. It is also sweat resistant and is packed with 12 hours of music and call time. So that's a lot, man. No more charging after every gym session. It comes with 300 hours of standby time and has magnetic earphones, which I think is really cool. The moment of truth, guys. Let's take a sneak peek into the product. This looks fancy, man. This is what comes inside the box. You've got the earphones. You've got a brand new USB to charge it with. You get 2 sets of earpods. You get a user manual. You need to check this one out before using the product. And this special thing, you get 1 year warranty. They have a return policy of 30 days. I'll show it to you guys what this is. It has a small heart on it and it has a special reason. Let's get the headphones out first. Yup, so this is it. It has a flex band and magnetic pods. So this is how the flex band works. It's really flexible, and also this is how the magnetic pods work. It sticks really good. It sticks pretty well actually. And to the left you have the keys to control the volume. You can increase the volume, decrease the volume. Also you can change the tracks also. And to the right you have the dedicated mic for better calling. Also guys, I've been using these headphones for over a week now, and let me tell you, these headphones are packed with insane features. Before we end this video, I'll show you what's on the back side of this card. Let's flip it over, guys. Alright, so we have a sweet thank you note by the CEO and founder, Mrs. Khyati. To know what's written on the card, you'll have to purchase these headphones. Link is in the description. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much.